Hello students, in our previous class we did discuss about integers. We try to recall natural number that starts from 1, whole number that starts from 0, then integers. In integers we have natural numbers, 0 and negatives of natural numbers. We did discuss how we represent integers on number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So all are integers. A question regarding an aeroplane and a submarine. The sea level we represented by 0, and from the sea level the position of aeroplane is 5000, and the position of submarine downwards from the sea level, so its position is minus 1200. If we find the distance between the aeroplane and the submarine, how did we calculate? 5000 minus of 1200, then 5000 negative of negatives, that is positive. So 5000 plus 1200, and our result is 6200. After that, we will discuss about properties of addition and subtraction of integers. If we add any two integers, our result is an integer. If we subtract any two integers, our result is also an integer. So integers are closed under addition and subtraction. Commutative property of integers for addition. If we add two integers in any order, the result will be same. 3 plus 5 equal to 8, and 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So we say for any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. But subtraction of integers is not commutative. 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So our result are different. So integers are not commutative under subtraction. Associative property for addition. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. where a, b, c are integers. Additive identity. If we add 0 to any integer, the integer will be same. That is, there will be no change in that integer. If a is any integer, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a equal to a. 0 is called additive identity. Multiplication of integers. If we multiply a positive integer by a negative integer, the result will be a negative integer. That is, multiplication of positive and a negative integer is a negative integer. And if we multiply two positive integers, our result is a positive integer. If we multiply two negative integers, then also our result is a positive integer. Commutativity of multiplication for integers. If we multiply two integers in any order, suppose a and b are two integers, then a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. Multiplication by 0. If we multiply any integer by 0, our result will be 0. Multiplicative identity. If we multiply any integer by 1, there will be no change in that integer. So 1 is multiplicative identity for integers. Associativity for multiplication of integers. A multiplied by b multiplied by c is equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by c. Distributive property. A multiplied by b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. What are a, b and c? These are integers. We call this property multiplication over addition. Distributive of multiplication over addition. Now, distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. A multiplied by b minus c is equal to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. All the properties we discussed, we use for the ease of our calculation. Okay, thank you.